Blessings, warriors. How are you guys doing today? Check out my new video, how to make alkaline banana nut muffins. It is to die for, guys. I'm so obsessed with it. Guys, enjoy it. I hope you guys are able to understand the video easily. Check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. And also, if you tried the recipe at home and you enjoyed it or did not like it, or however it turned out, send me a picture and DM me and let me know how yours turned out. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you on the other side. So that was the alkaline banana nut muffin. I hope that it was simple and easy to understand for you guys. I hope you do enjoy it when you try it at home. Stay safe and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. With all the ingredients I'm using, you can put any of your own ingredients as well. You can put any alkaline ingredients. So instead of using grapeseed oil, you can use coconut oil. Instead of using spelt flour, you can use chickpeas, garbanzo beans flour. Instead of using agave, you can use another form of sweetener. So you can also always substitute it for something that works for you as well. And if you're in your journey through getting into this alkaline lifestyle, this is a way to slowly transition yourself into it without feeling so overwhelmed by the pressure of doing everything the right way. So thank you guys so much for watching once again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day and stay safe. Until next time, remember, it's your sister in the fight.